So, just one last little section we're going to do here on the Olex plotter. If you look across the buttons on the top here, we have a couple things we wanted to bring in. Was the dimmer. You can dim the screen, very nice. So let's go back and find the bow here. So here's the vessel sailing along. I can brighten it right up, or I can dim it down. So you can go to a really dim screen where you can barely see it, and you see the cursor and you see the red light, so you can always go back and find it. You also have night vision as well, and with the night vision you can dim the screen as well. Okay, like so. So you've got your GPS position up the top here. You click on it, you can get a large course or a large speed. It tells you how many satellites your GPS is using. Your depth in feet, fathom, or meters. If you click on that, you can actually get a little bit of a histogram, I should say, which will show you behind the vessel. You have your estimated tides for where you are and where the moon is in its cycle. So right there I can see I'm going to have a full moon in 5 days. My range and bearings there as well. The other thing you have is in the Olex icon down the bottom, it's your manual. So if you click there, you can always come in, find your manual. If you're at sea, you don't have your book, and you need to know something, you can click in there, and usually it'll have some information in there to steer you in the right direction. So if I'm looking at this one, just down at the bottom, just again some more information. Your plot layers is here, chart selection. Most of the systems now in Canada here will have Chart World. But again, they could be other S57, ENC charts. There is raster support as well. You look at depth contours, we'll get to that later. If you have water temperature that you can connect via NMEA or through your echo sounder, you can actually see it on the screen here. I can even plot it. It'll plot you a line based on the temperature, and here's your little graph here. You can also put values to show me how the water temperature is trending. So I started over at 10.1, and it's been fairly consistent, but it is a little bit lower over here. If you want Fahrenheit, you can switch that to Fahrenheit, pretty easy too. And again, you can put an adjustment. If your probe is off a bit, you know it's a static amount, how much it's off, you can go in and put an offset into that. So very nice that way.